Got him, son. Give me some, boy. Give me some, boy. Did I work him up here? What,
go, baby.
Work him up here, huh?
Got him, man.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Boom.
Walker done potting him right here on you today, son. Let him flop. Let him flop. He's all good. I know that. That's what I'm talking about, son. Oh, Walker boy, put it on him, son. Give me some. That's what I'm talking about. Boom. Oh, TSS touch him right in the noggin. Oh, it's been a while. It's good to be back. That was fun. Hey, they back here.
Hey.
Golly, dude. That had to be 6 different gobblers.
See?
He said he's coming to us.
He got about 80 yards and he must have seen these decoys because
I've never seen him.
he freaking,
He
freaking hammered it, huh?
I've never seen him till he got me.
I was watching him. He come around that big tree. Right. They still got one. Only could kill 2. Hold up in that light. There you go. Walker done did him in, huh? Hold up that fan, let me see it. Woo-wee! March 20th. We come in here last night. Didn't hear a thing. It was windy, and so we was kind of worried last night. Not gonna lie, we didn't know how this morning was gonna go. So come here this morning, and got here pretty early, trying to see if we could hear anything. Didn't know what to expect, and there was probably 6 gobblers in here. They was about 100 yards apart, all of them spread out. So come here, just set up in an open spot, just see if we could do something with them. And birds laying on the ground, probably 300 yards from here, and you gonna hold him up? Hold him up so they can see it.
What you think about 7 or 8 gobblers out there?
Had to be. And there was a group probably 4 to our right, probably 300 yards, and just I was running the mouth call this morning, it wasn't working, so broke out the slate call, and had one break off from the group. He closed the distance in less than 5 minutes, and got up here about 15 steps of decoys. Walk dog punched him.
Yes, he didn't waste no time with it.
No.
As soon as he stopped, he shot him.
I mean, pretty routine hunt. What do you think about Walker? This is Walker's first turkey.
Yeah.
Man's never done it before. He ain't never seen it like this, so.
He just fueled the fire.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Started a bad habit. Expensive, very fun habit.
They don't get much better than that.
Yep.